These are 3 businesses you can start doing with zero capital, and you can end up making even millions after your persistence. Though one of the businesses will require you to have some money, but that is just an extra tip. But the very first 2 I'm going to tell you in this video, if you try them, you're going to see how to make your ends meet. Alright, so guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 type of businesses that you can start, and you'll be able to, you can start with nothing actually, and you'll start making maybe some bucks after your period of persistence, and it may even earn you millions, and it may even earn you hundreds of thousands, millions, and whatsoever if you stick to this business rules. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, my name is Mark Lode, and in this channel I do share with you investment tips. I share with you how to make money online the genuine way, how to grow on YouTube, and how to add extra income on your pocket. So if this is something that actually interests you, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and share the video to everyone who wants to benefit from this type of content. Okay, so without further delays, I'm just going to go into it immediately. The very first business that you can start without any money and without anything, just your skills, is starting up a freelance business. Guys, when I mean about a freelance business, it means that in any freelance business, you just need to create your profile on the freelance platform. You tell the freelance platform what you can do, you set prices on what you can do, and you are going to post the service on that particular freelance platform. Once you post the service on the freelance platform, you are going to see people, you are going to get people that are coming to that platform. Most often, I for one, I also go to freelance platforms to hire people. Okay, so you are going to see people that will be coming there to search for different things. So somebody that is searching for what you have is going to contact you, and both of you are going to discuss, and you agree on a particular price for that. Then maybe the person is going to give you time to do the job. Once you do the job, you deliver the job to the person and the person now is going to pay you. So that is how the freelance business works. Okay, freelance business, you don't need to pay any money to do anything. You don't need you just need to develop skills. Okay, some of you will be saying that maybe you are an electrician or you are this and you cannot do it. Guys, you can still give tips on how to do that. You can create your service and make them know that you are an electrician, but you can't live from where you are, because most of the people that are buying on freelance platforms are usually maybe Europeans, Americans, and so on. But you can still give them tips on how to do that themselves, and they are going to pay you for that. That is a very good business that you can start. When I talk about this freelance thing, it is mostly for those, especially those that are in economies that are very difficult, especially from African countries, Asian countries, and the countries that don't have very good economies, that things are difficult there. So once you graduate, there are a lot of people, especially in Africa, when they graduate, they don't have anything doing, and maybe the type of small petty jobs that they will see around their areas are not going to be paying them anything, and most of them will decide to maybe go to the village and farm, and so on and so forth. So guys, this is something that many people don't know about. So if you graduate from school, you can just go to a freelance platform like maybe Fiverr. You can go to Upworks. You can go to freelancers. There are a lot of freelance platforms that are actually paying. So you can just go there and create a profile. There are so many people that do translation. There are some people that do corrective English, that means correcting people's English. There are some people that do Shopify. There are some people that, there are a lot and lots of services. Even if you don't have any particular skill, it is just as simple as maybe going to YouTube and just learning one particular skill or one thing that you can offer, and you just go to these platforms, create your account on the platform. Just create your account, create your service, and you post on that platform, and that is all what you need to do. Once you have done that, just wait. Maybe if the platform approves your service, they are going to start putting it on the market, and people are going to be coming there. Maybe anybody that purchase, they are going to actually have you discuss with that person, and the person is going to pay the price. Once the person pays, you do the job, and the person pays you. As simple as that. That is one business that you can actually start. You can actually start without you having any money, but actually you discover that you are working. And the good thing about freelance platforms is that once you are doing that, you have your buyers that will be giving you reviews, and once you are getting good reviews, you have more and more people coming on a daily basis, and you come and discover at a certain point in time that this is actually much more better than maybe a job that someone may employ you, and you will not be able to receive any good pay from that job. Right, so this is something that is very good for you to try. So the second business that you can try, that you can do without any money, that you'll be earning money from it is by doing content. You can start creating content. Guys, there are a lot of people that are making millions in a day just by creating content on TikTok. You can do very short videos that are just 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and you participate in the TikTok creativity program where you'll be getting money paid and you'll be getting coins. There are a lot of ways to earn money on TikTok, right? Just by making 1 minute, 2 minute videos, and you'll be gathering coins from there and so on and so forth. There are a lot of ways that you can take to make money on TikTok. So you won't tell me that you don't have any skill or you don't have anything. So this particular one of content, what I usually encourage is that do something that you are comfortable doing. There's nobody that is going to go to school up to the university level and the person will come out and say he doesn't have any talent or he doesn't know how to do anything. Take anything that you are comfortable with. Even you love dancing, even you love teaching, anything that you know how to do, just try to create some few just try to use your phone. And I don't think there's any university student in this our generation that is not having an Android phone. Use it, just record yourself and you post on TikTok. You can create a Facebook page, create it, post it on Facebook, create it, post it on Instagram, create it, post it on YouTube. Alright, so this thing is actually going to pay you a lot of money. You may start at the beginning and you will not have engagement, you will not have people viewing, but just keep doing what you are good at. Keep doing it. As you are doing it continuously, the algorithm is looking for people that are interested in your content, and behold, one day you are going to start getting people that are interested in your content, and those are the people that are going to promote you. There are a lot of people that will love going to TikTok and watching other people's content on a daily basis, watching them, spending time watching them and giving them money. Also try to create your own content. Once you create your own content and you go to these platforms, people are also going to watch your own content and you also make your own money, right? So this is a very good business that I would encourage each and every one of you to do. Even if you don't have anything to do, if you know how to act, if you know how to walk along the road and interview people, walk and interview people. If you're a good storyteller, tell stories, all those things actually pay. Alright, so this is a business that you can start just with your Android phone and the mobile data, and you'll be making millions, alright, after some time if you are persistent. So this is another business that you can start without you having any money. The third business that you can start without you having any money is almost also like a freelance. You can set up something like a website on your own. You create your services there, and maybe you advertise with people on your own. Like you can meet someone and tell him, hey, this is the type of things that I'm doing, this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm doing, and maybe that person knows another person that needs such a service, especially if it is a digital service that is on nowadays. Maybe it is about job search, maybe it is about anything that is a digital service, digital marketing, and so on. These are services that many people need on a daily basis. So you can just create, even you don't have money to create a personal website, you can maybe create a WhatsApp page, or you can just direct marketing. Just talk to people, talk to your friends, and they will start telling other friends. Those other friends will tell other friends, and so on. And so on, you will start seeing people that will start contacting you. When people contact you and you are genuine and you do their job and you have a payment means, once you do their job, you are supposed to trust them. You do their job and they will pay you money. And those other people also act like affiliates. If you have worked with somebody and the person actually received value from that, the person is actually going to tell another person, and that person you will only tell somebody that needs the service, and that is how you will start growing your network. You can now maybe create a platform like WhatsApp, or maybe you can create a personal website and so on. That is another business that is going to give you very, very good money without you putting in any money on it. Alright, so I'm just going to give this third one, I'm going to give this fourth one as a bonus tip. I'll give 2 bonus tips, alright, but the last one is going to involve money. So the fourth one is you starting up a website, like maybe a freelance website, starting up your own freelance website. This particular one that I'm talking about will require you some money, and that is why I'm giving it like bonus tips. All right, you can start up a website that is like a teaching website online. You just need to get developers for them to build you a website, and you see how you can integrate things there such that somebody can purchase and somebody can just do it like freelance website. Like if you are able to build up something like a freelance website, or you are able to build up something like a teaching website, or a website that can be offering services to people, that people can trust that website, that is going to make you billions. That is going to make you billions if that particular website actually crawls on Google. I have a friend that has searched something like that, and the person started it like a joke, and right now the person earns more than $50,000 in a month. Right, so this is something that young men are supposed to take advantage of. And in this world of technology now, many things are advancing, and we are not supposed to be sleeping. So if you try that, I think you are going to make very decent amount of money. But this particular one, it requires that you should invest some money for the platform to be built, except that you are an engineer, or maybe a computer engineer, that you know how to go about all those things. Alright, so the last tip that I'm going to give, the last one I'm going to give, is also something that will require you to have money. you can start up a business such as the P2P. If you go to most platforms that do crypto, like Binance and other trusted platforms that deal with crypto, we used to have P2P trading. It is peer to peer, right? It works in the session way that, like, for those that are in African regions or maybe even Asian regions, there's a popular something that is known as mobile money. So if you have something like a mobile money account, mobile money will enable you it is just like an external wallet that you can link to that particular platform that will help you to purchase crypto. So it works in the way that when somebody comes to the platform, a person needs crypto and the person wants crypto, the person can contact you immediately. Alright, maybe you have crypto now on your own platform and the person doesn't have, the person wants to buy, the person will contact you and will tell you the amount that he wants to buy. Then the person now is going to send that money to you directly, and then you are going to deliver the crypto to that person. The same way around, the person can have crypto and the person will decide to give it to you. You will buy it from that platform and you pay the money in cash. And what you do is that you're increasing. Like if one USDT is about 600 francs, you can put yours at 610 francs or 65 francs, and you see that in each of your transactions you're having about 5 or 10 francs that is added to $1, and that is how you are going to be making money from it. Right? So guys, that is how you can do these businesses and without any money in this year 2025, and you'll be able to make some money out of it. Right? But this particular one also, you will require some capital. For you to start. But the very first 3 businesses that I give you, that is starting up a freelance platform, starting up content, or starting up your personal business that you are marketing directly. This is something that is with zero. You will not start with any money, but you'll be able to make money out of it. Alright, so guys, if you want me to create similar videos like this one, or you have a particular concern, please don't forget to leave your comments on the comment section below, and we'll keep on bringing you strategies on how you can earn money online and how you can start up your own personal business and have your own personal finance. So thank you very much for watching the video, and I will see you in the next video.